Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce our topic, innovative technologies transforming medical practices. Today, we'll explore how advancements like AI are revolutionizing healthcare. We'll cover key innovations, their impact, and what the future holds. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the foundations of AI in healthcare. This slide highlights the key elements that make AI such a powerful tool in this field. First, understanding the core concepts of artificial intelligence is essential. Things like machine learning, which allows computers to learn from data, and deep learning, a subset that mimics how our brains process information. These technologies enable us to analyze vast amounts of health data quickly and accurately. Next, we need to consider data quality and availability. For AI to be effective, it requires high-quality, diverse datasets that accurately represent patient populations. Without good data, AI models can produce biased or inaccurate results. Finally, the integration of AI into healthcare systems depends on robust algorithms and infrastructure. This means developing reliable models that can be trusted in clinical settings and ensuring the infrastructure is in place to support real-time decision-making. All these elements form the foundation that not only supports current innovations, but also paves the way for future breakthroughs in healthcare. They are the building blocks that help us harness AI's full potential to improve patient outcomes and transform medical practice. Let's take a closer look at artificial intelligence, or AI, and its role in healthcare. AI essentially mimics human cognition, meaning it can support clinical decisions and analyze complex healthcare data more efficiently. This helps us make more informed choices and improves patient outcomes. Moving on to machine learning techniques. Machine learning, or ML, enables systems to learn from data itself. So instead of being explicitly programmed for every task, these systems improve over time, which enhances accuracy in disease prediction and treatment plans. Now, deep learning applications take things a step further. Deep learning uses multi-layer neural networks. Think of them like layers of interconnected processing units. This approach is especially powerful for image recognition, like analyzing medical scans, and natural language processing, which helps in understanding and generating clinical notes or patient communication. Finally, the core concepts of AI, ML, and deep learning are interconnected, but each has its unique strengths. Understanding these helps us appreciate how they collectively contribute to transforming healthcare, making our practices more precise and personalized. This foundation is essential as we explore how these technologies can be integrated into our clinical workflows to improve patient care. Let's explore how healthcare data and AI applications are transforming the industry. When we talk about healthcare data, we're referring to the vast amount of information generated from patient records, medical imaging, wearable devices, and more. This data is incredibly valuable because it holds insights that can improve patient outcomes and streamline healthcare delivery. Now, AI applications leverage this data in powerful ways. They help in diagnosing diseases more accurately, predicting patient deterioration, and personalizing treatment plans. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. What's exciting is that these applications are not just improving clinical decisions, they're also making healthcare more efficient and accessible. By harnessing data and AI together, we're moving toward a future where healthcare is more proactive, precise, and patient-centered. This slide highlights the core connection. Healthcare data fuels AI innovations, which ultimately benefits patients and providers alike. Let's take a closer look at how electronic health records, or EHRs, play a vital role in AI-driven healthcare. EHRs store structured patient data, which means information like medical history, lab results, and medications are organized in a way that AI can analyze effectively. By examining this data, AI can identify trends that might not be obvious to clinicians, helping us personalize care pathways for each patient. Moving on to medical imaging analysis, AI-powered deep learning algorithms excel at analyzing X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and ultrasounds. This allows for highly accurate diagnoses, often faster than traditional methods, which can be crucial in urgent cases. Then there's genomic data insights. AI interprets vast amounts of genetic information to uncover links between genes and diseases. This helps us tailor therapies specifically to an individual's genetic makeup, opening doors to truly personalized medicine. Now, when we combine all these elements, EHRs, medical imaging, and genomics, we create a comprehensive picture of the patient. This integration enables AI to provide proactive, personalized care that not only addresses current health issues, but also anticipates future risks. This holistic approach is at the heart of AI-driven healthcare, making it more precise, efficient, and ultimately, more effective for patients. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming healthcare across three critical areas: diagnostics, treatment, and operations. When it comes to diagnostics, AI algorithms can analyze medical images, lab results, and patient data much faster, and often more accurately than traditional methods. This means earlier detection of diseases and more precise diagnoses, which is crucial for effective treatment. In terms of treatment, AI helps tailor therapies to individual patients by predicting how they will respond to different options. This personalized approach not only improves outcomes, but also reduces unnecessary treatments and side effects. And finally, in operations, AI streamlines administrative tasks, manages patient flow, and optimizes resource allocation within healthcare facilities. This enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and allows healthcare providers to focus more on patient care rather than paperwork. Overall, AI is becoming an integral part of healthcare, making it more precise, personalized, and efficient, bringing us closer to better patient outcomes and a more sustainable system. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming diagnostics. AI helps clinicians by detecting very subtle cues in medical images that might be missed by the human eye. This means we can improve the accuracy of diagnoses and significantly reduce errors, leading to better patient outcomes. Moving on to predictive analytics, AI analyzes vast amounts of health data to identify patterns. This allows us to predict risks earlier, which means interventions can happen sooner, and we can manage diseases more effectively. Lastly, personalized medicine is a game changer. By integrating genomic information with individual patient data, AI enables us to tailor treatments specifically for each person. This not only reduces the chances of adverse reactions, but also enhances the effectiveness of therapies. Overall, these advances in diagnostics, prediction, and personalized medicine are central to the overall theme of how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, making it more precise, proactive, and patient-centered. Let's now turn our attention to the ethics, risks, and the future of AI integration. As we incorporate AI more deeply into our lives and work, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications involved. This means thinking about fairness, transparency, and accountability, making sure these systems serve everyone responsibly. At the same time, we have to be aware of the risks, such as biases embedded in algorithms, potential job displacement, or even unintended consequences that could arise from highly autonomous systems. It's a delicate balance, but one that requires ongoing dialogue and careful oversight. Looking ahead, the future of AI integration is both exciting and challenging. We'll need to establish strong ethical frameworks, regulatory standards, and collaborative efforts across industries and governments. This way, we can harness AI's potential for good while minimizing its risks. Ultimately, as we continue this journey, responsible development and thoughtful stewardship will be key to shaping an AI-powered future that benefits everyone. Let's talk about addressing algorithmic bias in healthcare AI. Bias often comes from non-representative data, which can lead to unfair treatment of underrepresented groups. It's crucial that we recognize and mitigate this to ensure equitable care for all patients. Moving on to privacy and data security, protecting sensitive health information is absolutely vital. We do this through encryption, strict access controls, and by complying with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. These measures help build trust and safeguard patient confidentiality. Next, transparency and explainability are key. Clinicians need clear, understandable AI explanations to trust and effectively use these tools. Without transparency, integrating AI into healthcare can be challenging, so making AI decisions understandable is essential for adoption. Looking ahead, future AI innovations promise exciting advances, from improving predictive care and enabling robotic surgeries to accelerating drug discovery. Additionally, AI has the potential to expand healthcare access globally, reaching underserved populations and improving health outcomes worldwide. All of these points, bias, privacy, transparency, and innovation, are interconnected. They highlight the importance of responsible AI development to truly enhance healthcare for everyone. Thank you all for being here today. I really appreciate your time and attention throughout this presentation. I hope the insights we've discussed have been helpful and have given you a clearer understanding of the key concepts. Remember, the main takeaway is the importance of applying these ideas to make a positive impact in your work and your organization. Your engagement and questions have truly enriched this session, so thank you once again for your participation. I look forward to seeing how you implement these strategies moving forward. Thanks so much.